welcome back to Hannah's Kitchen Corner. Today's video, let's see how to make Thari Biriyani. It's a popular South Indian dish originating from the Malabar region, particularly in Kerala. Unlike traditional biryani, it's made with semolina instead of rice, cooked with meat or vegetables and spices. For this recipe, I'm using chicken. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder, turmeric powder half teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, and you can add a little bit of lemon juice and mix it well and marinate for like 30 minutes. Heat a pan. Once it's hot, you can add oil, then add the marinated chicken and shallow fry. Cover and cook for like 8 to 10 minutes until the chicken is tender. Once the chicken is cooked, you can remove from the pan. Next, we can roast the rava. I first add a little bit of ghee, or if you don't have ghee, you can add a little butter and add 2 cups of rava or semolina and roast it until it's light golden color. You can add 1 tablespoon of ghee and 1 tablespoon of oil into the same pan which we used and add the whole spices in it and roast for 1 minute. Add 1 onion sliced. Add green chilies 4. Curry leaves 1 sprig and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute well until the onion becomes translucent. Now you can add tomato 1, cut it into small pieces and cook until tomato becomes mushy. At this point, you can add 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of Biriyani Masala and stir it well for 2 minutes. At this point, you can adjust the seasonings. Add fried chicken to it and mix it well until everything combined together. Now you can add the roasted rava to the chicken mix and combine thoroughly. Add 3 cups of hot water and mix it well. well and cook on low heat until the rava absorbs all the water and becomes fluffy. You can add some fried cashews and cover the pot and let it rest for a few minutes. You can transfer the Thari Biriyani to the serving bowl and garnish with chopped coriander leaves, fried cashews and fried onions. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you liked this video. I hope you will try this at home and let me know your feedback. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.